Hello and welcome to the most prominent launch of our new TV range for this year. My name is Sudeep and I am a product manager here at Xiaomi India. And it's always thrilling and exciting to showcase to you guys something new every single time. But before we get started, let's take a recap of our Mi TV journey so far here in India. We started with the vision of elevating your TV experiences. And time and again, we made choices to help us realize that dream. Now, we have come in a long way in our journey, but we still feel we have a long road ahead of us. Essentially, we think, picture abhi baki hai mere dost. TVs are an integral part of a household, and choosing the right TV is as crucial as a decision as choosing the color of your wall, because a TV stays. We are very happy that over the years, you have trusted us with this choice. This has made us India's #1 smart TV brand for 2 consecutive years. Since Q2 2018, we have shipped over 4 million smart TVs. While there is a lot of room for improvement as we are just getting started, we have managed to get a lot of things right. Be it ensuring a smarter TV experience with Android TV or simplifying your content discovery with patch wall experiences. We also work very closely with our partners to bring you something special, like the recent Disney Plus Hotstar special preview just for Mi TVs. While we do all of this, we add to the atmospherics of your living room with an unassumingly elegant design. All of our competitors did take notice of the change that we were bringing to the smart TV category. And ever since, there has been a tsunami of options in this category. Over the course of last year, everyone's focus has been on getting just the basics right. But there's something more interesting that piqued our interest. With the recent advancement in engineering and industrial design, we reimagined the way a TV looks. And that's exactly what we're going to see today. Introducing Mi TV 4A Horizon Edition in 32 and 43-inch variants. TVs occupy the center stage in our living rooms. When we are building up the space, we curate each and everything that makes up the space. But when it comes to TVs, we have a limited option in which a TV looks. With the Mi TV Horizon Edition, we have added an option that is curated to add to the ambience of your living room space. With the advancement in the industrial technologies, we now have the ability to completely remove the front frame and reduce the bezels all around the TV. The result is an elegant looking display which is more immersive than ever and takes you across the horizon with every scene. With the Horizon Edition TVs, we are bringing this to you for the first time ever on a Mi TV. The Horizon Edition 43-inch comes with a full HD resolution and the 32-inch comes with a HD resolution panel. Both these TVs come with a wide viewing angle of 178 degrees, perfect for those game nights. With the front frame out of your way and reduced bezels all around the TV, the display that comes out has been perfected with our Vivid Picture Engine technology. Our Vivid Picture Engine technology ensures accurate screen calibration, deeper contrasts, and pinpoint precision in color reproduction. Vivid Picture Engine is a set of software and hardware tweaks that we have mastered over the last few years. This makes the display deceptively simple yet elegant. But all of this is incomplete without a well-designed operating system. Let's take a look at patch wall on our Horizon Edition TVs. Over to you, Anisha.
Thank you, Sudeep. Hello, Me fans. I'm Anisha, and I manage content partnerships and patchwall operations for MeTV. Over the past couple of years, with accessibility to the internet and upgrades in TV technology, we are witnessing a content revolution. Today, we have an incredible amount of content which is just a click away. While we work on elevating the user experience, the way we index, sort, and present the content to you becomes crucial. With the volume of content and the increasing amount of content platforms, all of it could get a little overwhelming at times. With the patchwall experience, we try and address this particular issue. We work on the fundamentals of information architecture and the way the content appears on your feed. Patchwall is India's most comprehensive TV platform. Deep integration with 23 plus content partners and 7 live news channels. Content available across 16 plus languages and more than 7 channels, including TV shows, music, kids, sports, movies, and a lot more. Patchwall gives you some unique experiences. Most of the time, you want to search for a piece of content, but you're not sure which platform it is available on. Universal Search helps solve this problem. Our deep integration with more than 23 content partners, you can search for the content you wish to watch across streaming platforms. This helps save a lot of time. For instance, if I'm looking to watch Dear Comrade, all I need to do is search for it by either typing it in or making use of the voice command. And there you have it. Patchwall runs a deep search and extracts the content from different content partners and puts it in front of you to choose. While it shows you content from different platforms, it also lets you know which platform will be paid and which one will let you access the content for free. Similarly, if you wish to watch live news on another TV, you'll have to figure out which platform gives you access to news, but not on Patchwall. On Patchwall, you can watch 7 plus live news channels free right from your home screen without having to worry about any additional subscription. Also, it's a one-click play experience. Kids in our families are always curious to try out new technologies. It is an added advantage that we can control the kind of content that they are watching and ensure that they do not watch any age-inappropriate content. With Patchwall, we bring to you a unique kids mode with parental lock and safe universal search. While it gives you more control over the content, it also presents recommendations which are specially curated for kids. Let's try and search for a common keyword in the kids mode and on the home mode and see what results it yields. For example, let's search for the movie War in the universal mode and it shows up the following results. And I look at the result for the same word in the kids mode. So while we ensure restrictions across these two modes, we also ensure a seamless experience within each mode. Curation of content is the key focus area of Patchwall. Sorting and clubbing content across Patchwall makes it easier for the viewer to watch what they wish for. There are so many instances when you come across content and you feel like, why didn't I come across this earlier? With Patchwall, we try and solve this problem by recommending content to you that you might be looking for across 23 content platforms. Some of the ways in which we do this is by building unique features such as collections, India Top 10 Today, Language Universe, and Celebrity Watch List, among many more. While we have built so many features to help you discover content easily, we have one more key feature that comes in handy while watching live sports. With one-click play, you can start streaming a live cricket match, live news, or any VOD content directly from Patchwall. Patchwall's experience is timeless. We work continually to ensure not just regular software updates, but also updates to the content display. Let's take a look at the other possibilities with the Horizon Edition TVs. Over to you, Sudeep.
Thank you, Anisha. Now, one-click play is one of my favorite Patchwall feature, and it comes in handy for someone like me who watches a lot of sports content. Now, Patchwall is built on top of Android TV, which means you get the goodness of Google's Android TV features. Not only you get more than 5,000 apps, you also get Google Assistant built in, which means with just a voice, You can control your smart TV, your smart home devices, and you can also search for content. You can also make use of Chromecast built-in feature in the Horizon Edition TVs. With just a tap of a button, you can cast your favorite content directly from your phone onto your Mi TVs. And with the Mi TV Horizon Edition, you also get Google's data saver. Now you can stream up to 3 times more on your mobile hotspot thanks to Google's data saver. Listening to our Mi fans, we have added a brand new feature in our Horizon Edition TV, with which you can turn off your TV and turn it back on under less than 10 seconds. And we're calling it the Mi Quick Wake. And I'm sure that you're absolutely going to love this. You can connect multiple devices to the Horizon Edition TVs thanks to an array of selection of ports available at the back of the TV. Both the variants of the Horizon Edition series comes with a powerful 20-watt stereo speakers with DTS HD technology. This ensures clear and loud vocals, which further enhances your entertainment experience. Both the TVs comes with a powerful 64-bit quad-core processor and comes with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. This ensures everything that you do on TV is absolutely smooth and without any interruption. So that's the Mi TV Horizon Edition series. It comes in 2 variants, 32-inch and 43-inch. With the Mi TV Horizon Edition, you get Horizon display technology, a bezel-less design, and vivid picture engine technology. You also get patch wall with all the goodness of Android TV and our latest feature, the Mi Quick Wake. Now let's talk about the pricing. The Mi TV 4A Horizon Edition 32-inch is going to be available at just $13,499 and be available at Mi.com, Mi Home, and Flipkart, and soon across our other offline retail partners. And the Mi TV 4A Horizon Edition 43-inch is going to be available at just Rs. 22,999, and you can buy this at Mi.com, Mi Home, and Amazon.in, and soon across our other offline retail partners. Now that's all about the brand new Mi TV Horizon Edition series. Thank you so much for joining in. I'll see you in the next one.